guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa. If you guys are new here, welcome to another video. Today is Saturday morning. I am just filming a little video today, nothing crazy. So I wasn't even gonna film anything today, and I just got back from the gym, but it is like 1:30 right now, and I've just been having like a really good day. I don't know, it's just been like positive, and I feel like I always like plan out my days. Like this morning I woke up and I like, you know, make a to-do list and stuff, and I feel like that doesn't necessarily always like go with what you think your day is going to be, because it's kind of just like, I don't know, things happen. Like I ended up going to apply for like a little job. Camera died, but what I was saying was how I wasn't going to film today, but I was having you know, kind of a good day, and then I was like, let me just film because whatever, and things always don't go as you think. But I was gonna say that I just got home and I just had something to eat, let my camera charge, and now I'm gonna just pick up. Like everything is messy. It's the weekend, so Friday nights, like usually my roommate and I are more busy, and we're like coming in and out. There's more people in our apartment and stuff, so we tend to like clean more in the mornings and like stuff like that, and just like pick up, because I hate like starting the week off or just like, you know, living in the space of it being really dirty. So I'm just gonna pick up a little bit, and then I think I want to go like for a walk. I like absolutely want to do something outside. It's so nice out, and I just got some groceries. I picked up like a little bit of some like organic things at this store. I didn't go to like any food store. It wasn't even like, I didn't even think I was gonna do that, but when I went into the application when I went into apply, this is where I applied, at like a Whole Foods type of store. It's like a little corner store near me, and they had like all these fresh organic foods and stuff. So I went there and I just got some stuff so I could show you guys what I got, and I'm just gonna show you guys everything. Yeah, I don't know, I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. And then tonight I think I'm gonna have dinner with my family, so I'm just gonna be like honest with you. Like there's makeup like stuff everywhere, like all of this stuff is just kind of like out, and then you know, like little things like this, and like, yep, it's just big ol' mess. But you know, whatever, we're young, this is what happens. Shoes, sweatshirts, stuff everywhere. It is 2:32, and I really just needed to do stuff. I added some books to our little thing, and I think it's really cute. I really want to read later today too. Dishes need to be cleaned. This is the only thing that I did. I wiped this down and lit a candle, so I am just gonna like start cleaning as much as I can, and then like maybe save the rest for later. And I don't know, yeah, like if you look at my room, there's stuff everywhere. I just hate how it gets like that, but I'm just being transparent. It's life, it happens. So I'm just gonna start cleaning. This is where I got my groceries. I stopped at, it's called Better Food for Life. I just stopped at a little grocery store, cute little Whole Foods place, and I got a couple things to show you guys. I got this turmeric little juice, gold thread, plant-based. It was really cute and it looked good. I got these Simple Mills. Got these Simple Mills brand. I love these. I can have these on my cleanse thing for a month. I got both the crackers to have with hummus. It is called Better Life Whole Foods. This is what the place is called. And I got these Mary's crackers. I love that these brands, they have them. Let me put you guys on something. If you've never had these, they are the best thing ever. Like literally, I've had everyone that my friend Eliza showed them to me. We were at Whole Foods one time, and I literally ate the entire thing. I got like the little bites though. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So this is the actual cookie dough, so you can make like actual cookies with this. I didn't even know. Or you can eat it raw or baked. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited to make these. Like next week I'm completely done with my my cleanse thing, and I definitely want to like have some of this, you know, eventually. So I got some and I'm so excited. They're so good. Like they have them in like the frozen form, like you can buy all different kinds, but I saw that they had it in a cookie dough form, so I was like, what? That's so exciting. Fresh eggs. I got this cute little water bottle. Isn't it cute? Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I was like, I need a little water bottle for just like, I don't know. I feel like I sometimes like have a really big water, and sometimes I just want to put like something else. I don't know, like I just actually got this Radiance collagen stuff, and I love to like mix it, and I was like, I need like a water bottle for it, so these two would be like paired really good together. So super cute. It's like just this white, and it's called the brand Soma, and it has this little rustic like top, which I thought was like really cute and like made it. And then this is just like glass. So cute. It's like I have to get it. And I got just 2 cans of tuna. I like tuna in my salads or hummus. And then, oh, I got this room and fabric freshener. I'm so excited to try it. It's the Grab Green brand, and it smells so good. Like it smells very fresh. I don't know how to explain it. It smells like kind of cinnamony, and it's like a room freshener. Like so fresh. Like I don't know. Like clean house, and like it smells like Pottery Barn. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I'm gonna literally spray this everywhere after I clean. And then I just got this Essentials yellow soap. I just have been like obsessed with this color, honestly. And this is like, smells good. And it's like non-GMO, gluten-free, cruelty-free, paraben-free, hypoallergenic, no sodium sulfate. It's just like and it's a glycerin soap, and that's like really good for your body. So I got this. I'll let you guys know how I like it, and it just smells really good. So super excited about that. That's all I got. Didn't spend too much money. I think it came to like $80, $82.18. So I guess like I didn't get too many things, so that's like a little bit on the pricey side, but I personally like to spend my money that I work for on healthy groceries. I feel like that's just what I prefer, and that's just my opinion, but I'm happy with the price point that I paid and everything I got. So I'm just gonna put these away now and then kind of go from there. Okay, so it is 3:03. I was just listening to this podcast by The Health Code. I cleaned up as much as I could in a timely manner. What is this? And it's not perfect, but you know what? It's better than nothing, and it made me feel a little better. I have my shower running, so I'm about to shower, but then I kind of just did the living room a little bit, put some things away, put a pumpkin there, fluffed the couch a little, and then cleared this up just a little bit. Kind of did that. Didn't do the dishes because that's going to take a little bit more time, so I'm just going to do that, but I feel a little better, and I put all these away, all my groceries away, and overall just feel a little bit better. My head space is a little bit more clearer, and now I'm just going to go take a shower. I just sat down to look at my phone really quick. I wanted to put an order through before I get into the shower. I just thought about how I wanted a eucalyptus like bundle for our shower head, and I'm just looking at this website, and I just think that they are so cool. Like they bring like life to your shower. So I think I'm gonna do that quickly before I do anything else. yeah, I thought I would just show you guys. I like tried to look on Amazon, but they did not seem to have like too many. So I think I'm gonna order them off this website. They're not that much. See, like I feel like I like the small one because my shower's not big. I really like the stone. That's pretty. I feel like that's a little bit too overpowering, so I might even like that. I think that's cute. So yeah, just gonna put an order through with this, and then I will show you guys what I do after. Okay, I just got out of the shower. I just have on this little outfit, gray sweatpants, little crop top thing from Forever 21 and slides. It's like kind of nice out today. So I have my little picnic basket right here that I got at a thrift store, and it's super cute. It just opens like this, and it has like a little tray that you can like put some things on. So I'm just gonna pack this. And I'm just gonna go like to like a field and read or something, because I feel like being outside to like eat lunch, late lunch, it's 4 o'clock, it's like a weird time, but let's put this in the fridge. That is just what I feel like doing, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pack a little something to eat, and then I will just like head that way. Not really sure 100%, but I thought it would be a good idea to like get outside because it's super nice. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I just made tomato salad, put some olive oil, oregano, basil, onion, salt, pepper, tomatoes. I just used the basil from my tree. This is just like a really easy, simple go-to. I've been doing this for lunch a lot lately. My mom has been making this for me ever since I was legit like a child. It's like an Italian you know, dish kind of. They always would have this for you know, like lunch or a little snack. So I just like to make it, and I like to have it with like some hummus and crackers. So yeah, I'm just gonna pack this, and then have some peppers and stuff in here, and a little bit of crackers and hummus, and good to go. Close this. Okay, I have my picnic basket packed, and I'm just gonna go now. I just have to grab my phone. It is 4, and I'm gonna go. Just got here. It's so nice out and sunny. Just sitting on a blanket. I just took some pictures. I don't know if you can see them. I'm just going to read a little bit of my books, and then have something to eat because I'm starving. It's so nice out though. Oh my gosh, it's so sunny. Hi guys, lighting's bad. Putting my flashlight on. What else is new? Thought I'd update you. Going to dinner. Put on some makeup. I don't know why you can't see me. Is that better? Put on a little makeup. My hair is just in a little bun. Have on this black shirt that just like is like mid-length, but it doesn't show my stomach or anything, and then some pants that flare at the end and some sneakers. I'm meeting my family for dinner. It's Saturday night. Today was fun. I'm probably gonna close the video off here because I'm not doing too much after, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow my Instagram, all that stuff. And I hope everybody's staying healthy and safe, and you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in my next one very shortly. Bye!